Little Fawn Lily watched the tall green stalks sway in the meadow. Lily loved the feeling of gentle peace in the forest. Lily wished Lily could capture some of that quiet beauty to share with others. Graceful swan Seraphina glided onto the nearby pond. Seraphina saw Lily looking thoughtfully at the plants. Seraphina asked Lily what peaceful thoughts filled Lily's mind. Lily spoke about wanting to make something beautiful and calm, like the flowers. Seraphina had found a soft, white piece of paper resting near the water's edge. Seraphina said they could make a paper lily. A paper lily symbolized purity and gentle beauty, Seraphina explained with a smooth turn of Seraphina's neck. Lily felt a quiet joy at the idea. How could paper become such a lovely flower? Seraphina showed Lily the square paper. First, fold the square paper in half, then unfold, then fold in half the other way, then unfold again, Seraphina instructed softly. This made creases dividing the paper into 4 smaller squares. Now, fold the paper diagonally in half both ways, unfolding each time, Seraphina continued. The paper had many creases now, centered in the middle. Gently push the sides inwards while folding the top and bottom outwards, collapsing the paper into a square shape, Seraphina demonstrated. This shape was familiar from other crafts. It was the water bomb base again. Now, fold the 2 front flaps up to meet the top point, Seraphina guided. Repeat on the back side. It looked like a diamond shape. Next, fold the side corners of the front flaps inwards to meet the center line, Seraphina showed. Repeat this on the back. This made the shape narrower and more pointed. Now, fold the top point down on both the front and the back, Seraphina whispered. This created a flatter top. Unfold the sides you just folded in, Seraphina instructed. Lift up the top layer of the flap you just unfolded. Carefully tuck the side edge inside the flap, creating a clean edge. This was the petal fold again, Seraphina explained. Do this on all 4 points. The shape started to look like 4 little boats pointing upwards. Now, fold the 2 front petals outwards along the existing crease, Flutter guided. Do this on the back too. Gently unfold the model and press it flat, Seraphina said. Turn the shape so the pointed tips face upwards. Carefully curl each of the 4 top petals outwards around a thin stem, Seraphina showed. Lily gently curled the paper. They started to look like soft lily petals. Almost done. We need to shape the inner petals, Seraphina chirped. Find the 4 inner points. Gently curl these inward slightly, creating the center of the lily. And there it was. A beautiful, layered paper lily. It had soft white petals and a graceful shape. It looked like a real lily bloom, made of paper and gentle folding. Lily gazed at it with soft eyes. It was full of quiet beauty. Lily took the paper lily and placed it gently on a smooth stone beside the pond. The paper lily floated slightly, looking peaceful on the water. Other forest creatures passed by and saw the beautiful paper lily. It seemed to bring a sense of calm to the edge of the pond. Making something beautiful with care felt deeply peaceful. And sharing that beauty brought gentle joy to others. The paper lily sat, a silent symbol of kindness and calm. Maybe you can try folding a paper lily too. Imagine peaceful feelings blooming with each fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of gentle ponds and beautiful paper flowers. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that creating beauty with your own paws or hands can bring peace to you and those around you. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments what beautiful thing you would like to make.